Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how we can do these types of amazing text animation in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get started. First we will create a new composition. Okay, I will give two like this 1920 and 180. Okay, and now I will create a new solid layer and I will take this color. I think I will take more brighter color here. Okay. Okay. Now I will use some text like yeah. I use intro G text. Yeah, you can download it from internet. So I think you can easily download it there. Okay. Now let's animate it. First, click the animate play button here and choose the opacity. Again, press the add play button here and click property and go to position. Okay. Here we will increase or decrease the y-axis. Okay, if we increase the y-axis, we can see the designer is going down. So from here, our every alphabet will upward from this here. So and we can make the opacity like 0. Okay. Now it's time to animate. So first start. We make a frame here and press F9 to ease ease and take 0.2 seconds and we'll make it 100. Okay, let's see here first. Okay. Okay. I think I can little bit decrease the Y. Okay. Now we use the speed graph here. First select these two keyframe, then go to speed graph. If you don't find this, then try to use edit speed graph so you can get this. Okay, and then choose these 2 points. Okay, I will think yeah, and these two handle, try to make established in the middle. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Here we got this awesome technique, the awesome flavor. So here the easy one. If you on the motion tab, so you get the motion effect here. This also look too much cool here. So we can do another thing. Press duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Okay, and make this character a little bit bigger. Okay, I think yeah. Okay, without doing this before, let's delete it first. Okay, we can animate another mode here, like we can animate and choose tracking. Okay, in this tracking section I want to make a little bit animate here. So okay, first paste the keyframe here, F9. Okay, and make a little bit, yeah, I think this much is okay. Okay, so let's see the animation. Yeah. Okay, again let's see it. Okay, I think this tutorial is okay for me, but we can also use it here as speed graph in this two tracking amount point. So let's go to speed graph and choose this 2 point here. Okay, yeah, let's do this mode now. Okay, let's watch it. Yeah. Let's do the okay for me. Okay, and now make a duplicate of this layer. Ctrl T. Okay, and make it much more bigger, like 220 or 240. Okay, 260. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, make it align. Now change the text here. Okay, I will write creative. Yeah, I guess okay. Increase a little bit. Yeah, and align it. Okay, now change the color of it. Okay, so go to pen drop tool. Okay, and then the stroke. If you use different types of font which don't have base 2 line, then don't need to change the stroke, because this font come up to both stroke and fill, so I have to change it. Okay, now we will use an effect, drop shadow. Okay, so you see the drop shadow here. Here we only need the smoothness, like 220 to 22. Okay, and don't need distance here, and choose the shadow color, the background color. Okay, then choose the color and make it like little bit darker. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, that's cool. Creative design. So you can easily animate this. I will give you the preset so you can animate as much as you want. Okay, if you want to write 2 sentences here, so like first just I of this creative, and okay, let's change this thing. Okay, like I have to want to write a sentence in the semicolon. Okay, like I worked on the road I only. Okay, now decrease the size of it. Make it a line. Yeah. Okay, let's see the animation here. So you can see how we can easily do it. Okay, if you want to change the speed settings and all, okay, first of all press this layer, then press U, so you get all the keyframe here easily. Then you can easily change it. Okay, just like if you want to decrease the speed here. Let's see. Yeah, cool. If you want to decrease the speed here, so go to the speed layer here, and then decrease the speed. Now you will see like this. So you get this, how we can do these types of awesome animation. So if you like this video, please give me a good comment here and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get all my new YouTube videos here. I will upload a new all types of graphic video, so you will not miss any kind of videos here. So till then, bye, take care.